can go for a small dancer. Left foot is active, grab the mat. We grab the outer right shin bone or foot. So I'll take the shin bone, that's a little bit more difficult. If you go for that one, you can flex the ankle. And left hand's gonna push invisible wall. Your right foot will kick the right hand. Heart center is lifted. Hips are facing forward, so not out, forward. Both knees are close to the midline. Okay, awesome balance. Now bring the right foot close to the body, so hold the foot, just come into straight spine, and bring the right knee straight away close to the chest, and give yourself here a little bit of a hug. Then find the long line, straight spine, straight standing leg. Maintain the right knee there, extend the arms over the head. Okay, inhale. Exhale, kick invisible wall in front of you with the right foot. Again, bend the right knee close to the chest, inhale. And exhale, kick the invisible wall. Inhale, bend. Last time, exhale, kick. And from here, right leg straight, go all the way back to third warrior as we fold forward. Upper body, back leg in one line. The right big toe is pointing in to rotate internally the right thigh. Slowly bend the left knee as you inhale, and as you exhale, step the right foot back and down. High lunge, inhale. And as you exhale, pyramid pose. Front leg is straight, hips are square. Reach forward, think about length, the pizza box. And then find your way to full forward fold. Nice. Steady breath. Bend the left knee. Walk the hands forward. Lean forward on the left foot. Free the right leg. Raise it all the way up as much as you can. The fingers are under the shoulders approx. Beautiful. Inhale. And exhale, step the right foot next to the left one and fold for Uttanasana. With the next inhalation, raise your arms all the way up to standing. And exhale. Hands in front of the heart. To relax, we do the other side. Right foot will be active, grabbing the mat. Pelvis at the moment is neutral. We bend the left knee, we grab the outer left shin bone. So not the ankle directly, preferably either the shin bone or the foot, you choose. Right hand is pushing invisible wall to close the door or whatever it is. Knees are close to the midline of the body. Don't allow that left knee to splay out. And left foot or leg is kicking the left hand. Heart center lifted. You can allow the belly to come a little bit down. a small dancer. We don't go into full range of motion. Only if it feels good, you can do so. Inhale and exhale. Bend the knee a bit more. Left foot close to the left hip. Straight spine. Left knee close to the chest. Give yourself a big hug. And extend the standing leg. Straight upper body. Strong core. Arms over the head. Inhale. Exhale. Kick invisible door. 2 more times. Inhale, left knee bend. Exhale, kick. Last time, inhale, bend. Exhale, kick. Now with straight leg, foot forward, upper body parallel to the ground. Left leg in line with the upper body. Third warrior variation, arms in front of us. Make it a little bit harder. Then the left big toe is pointing direction midline. So we have slightly internally rotated the left thigh. Inhale, bend the right knee. Exhale, step the left foot back, high lunge. Inhale, maybe open the heart. And exhale, pyramid pose. Both legs are straight. Fall forward. Steady breath. Inhale. Exhale. Bend the right knee. Walk the fingers forward. Extend the right leg. Lift the left leg up. Fingers are approx somewhere under the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, step the left foot down. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Grab your heels or grab your big toes. Find your favorite forward fold. We're gonna hold it